everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Please, if you know today is your first time, you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Please hit that red subscribe button and click that bell beside it so that you'll be notified whenever I put a new video. Yeah guys, thank you very much and God bless you. So guys, I'll bring another video to you, the title you know what you're about to watch, guys. So today I want to talk about actors and actresses who be say they popular with their nickname. I have my number one here. Nkem Owa is a Nigerian actor and comedian. In 2008, he won the African Movie Academy Award for Best Actor in a Leading Role. This actor, they born for February 7, 1958, is currently 62 years in Huda, Nigeria. Nkem is now one of the most talented actors in Nigeria. He is known of people know him for Osofia, then because of a role he played for a movie they call Sophia in London, and most people say they call her Ukwa. Do you understand? So this actress now in a comedian, they have funny movie. You know, they had all those movie with all those Aki and Popo and all those things. So guys, stay tuned, and many more still they come and want to let you know. So guys, this one now the number one of them. This actor now very talented actor. My number two now John Ikechukwu Okafor, popularly known as Mr. Ibu, is a Nigerian actor and a comedian. Okafor is considered to be one of Nigeria's most talented comedian for a character in the play very well. He born October 17, 1961. So guys, so many people not really know his real name like that. Say his name self now John Okafor, because this actor say they has funny movie. Himself sing a singer. You understand? See they sing. They has funny movie. They has comedy and so on and so forth. So this actor, due to that role when he play for that movie, Mr. Ibu in London. So given that name, we say they call him Mr. Ibu, and really they act like one of them. Like they act like Mr. Ibu. You understand? So this actor a very funny actor. You understand? He a very funny actor. He still the heart with all those Ukwa, and he still the heart with Aki and Popo and all. He still the heart with them. So he still the heart with Mama G, you understand? You see they act with her, that they play funny role together. Then you understand all these actors, they be very funny and comedians. So guys, I have another one for you guys. I have another one. Patience Ozunko, born on 14 September 1958, is a Nigerian magician, fashion designer, gospel singer, actress. She won the Best Supporting Actress 2012 and 13 award of the 10th African Movie Academy. Ashudrone na Uche Ozunko, Shoma Nena Lameya Ozunko. A nomination na City People Move Award for Face of Nollywood and many more. This actress, now Nollywood actress as we all know, she dey sing, she dey play all those gospel sing, she still dey act, she still dey do many things, and not be only acting, you understand? So this actress, they act most things for her movie. Most things what she dey act for her movie, now those she dey play a role of evil role for her movie where she dey act evil role. Well, if you know this woman I'm talking about, if you dey watch her movie then where you go know wetin me dey talk. She dey act evil role well for her movie. So this name, so Mama G for general, she dey popular pass her real name. You understand? It make her popular pass her own real name. This patient, so wetin make that Ari and Mama G so give? Wetin make they give her that name? Wetin make she can't dey popular with that name? Now due to all those dubious role, all those evil role, wey be say she dey play for role for movie. Not me say she not see dey play good role. She dey play good role for her movie, but most of her movie wey she dey play na evil role. You understand? Na all those evil role wey maybe she fit dey kill people, or she fit dey envy one another and all those stuff and all. So na those role wey she dey play, that make her dey give her Mama G for general. You understand? So e come make her dey more popular pass her own real name. Wey she dey bear, this Patient Ozuo. So you understand? She can't dey popular more than her real name because of all those roles she dey play for that movie, wey she dey play for those her movie. So guys, me get another one for una again. I want bring out Funke Bello. Olufunke Ayotunde is a Nigerian Nollywood actress and a producer. Funke now very talented and beautiful actress. She na comedian, you know. Funke Akindele na very beautiful actress wey be say she dey talented and she dey natural. Funke Akindele dey popular for her name for her real name na Funke Akindele, you understand? So she come dey most popular. She come dey popular with this her Jennifer name in the popular series Jennifer Diaries. You understand? So guys, that movie that make her dey most popular, when many people they call her Jennifer. You understand? So her name na Funke Akindele. So guys, I have another one, guys. Chinedu Ikendeze is a Nigerian actor. He is best known for playing role along with Osita Ime in majority of the movie after their breakthrough. So this actress born on December 12, 1977. He na 42 years old. He born for Abia, Nigeria. So Chinedu Ikendeze is na real name. However, he known for his nickname Aki due to his stubborn role wey they play for several movies with Osita Ibe, that is Popo. So guys, this actor na a talented actor and a funny actor. You know, they have several funny movies. They have several funny movie. He with Popo, they act funny movie. They say they act all those normal movie, like ritualist movie, like all those others movies. So guys, stay. Mercy Johnson Okoje na Nigeria actress wey they born on August 28, 1984. Lagos, Nigeria. This beautiful actress now beautiful actress na very funny actress. She don feature a lot of movie. She don act a lot of movie. You know, her nickname wey be say people still know her, wey make her dey popular, na be Dumebi. You understand? You know not Dumebi now. Mercy Johnson, she can become popular with that nickname Dumebi. She, say she acts perfectly well for her role where she play for movie where they call Dumebi, where she released, where she had for 2014. So guys, this actress, a very talented actress. She's a very funny, very funny actress, and she did popular with that her name Dumebi, where she had Dumebi the dirty girl. If you don't know what they are, maybe if they think say why they say Dumebi, Dumebi the dirty girl. That's the name of the movie. So where she acts, so that role where she acts, where she released that 2014, I make her dey popular. We make her dey popular. So guys, me still get another one wey me wants to bring come for you guys. So continue watching, please. I hope so you don't like this video. Give a thumbs up. Osita Ime in a Nigeria actor, he known for a role wey they play for what they call am Popo. This actor born for February 20, 1982. He na 38 years old. He was born in Abia, Nigeria. A nomination African Movie Academy Award for the Best Actor in Leading Role and more. This actor, na very talented actor and very funny actor. He dey act with Chinedu, that is Aki. He still dey act with Aki. They are two, the both of them they act. Wey make them they call the Aki and Popo because they play stubborn role for their movie. You understand? So that's her name can't dey popular. This her name can't dey popular. Popo Irene na Osita. Her name can't dey popular. This is name can't dey popular because they play the role of stubbornness in their movie. They play stubbornness in their movie. They very stubborn for their movie. You understand? So that may come make they popular. They call the Aki Popo. You understand? Like Tom and Jerry now. You know, say Tom and Jerry, they still they stubborn. So that's why they call all those ones Tom and Jerry. So all these ones still be like the same. They be like English Tom and Jerry. You understand? So now I can't Popo be. So guys, what do you think about this? Let's see your opinion. Let's see your comments down there. Give it a thumbs up. Bye. See you up in the next video. Ciao. Bye.